today I have recreated this pasta that I had when I was in Bukoba. Like first I thought it was whole grain pasta because of the color mixed with regular, but I was wrong. You add cardamom and you boil it with milk and water. But the trick, let me tell you the trick. So here's the pasta, just regular spaghetti, and you break it up small and then you fry it. You fry it in the pan. So what you'll end up with is like the various colors of pasta. Some will be dark, some medium, and then some light. It's a sweet pasta, so you add sugar, and usually you just add like milk, but today I added a little bit of coconut cream too. I know that's gonna set it off. Now also in Bukoba, the breakfast buffet, it had a lot of random things. Like eating outside of the country is always something random on the buffet. You'd be like, y'all eat that for breakfast? So they had these boiled eggs. It didn't go with anything on the buffet, so I just cut mine up and put it in the pasta, and I was like, oh, this good. And I was eating it every day. I was looking forward to it. So now I'm happy to be recreating this at home. And today I'm gonna put it with some cabbage. That's kind of gonna be my dinner for today. So here it is, my little cultural dish of the day. I don't know how people from Tanzania eat this pasta. Maybe it's plain, but me, I'm about to make this into a whole meal, a delicacy.